Bob and Linda are frustrated. Bob just put his parents in a nursing home, and Linda's mom is living with them in their basement while receiving in-home health care. They feel stressed and emotionally drained. Both sets of parents have lost their savings and independence because they lacked long-term care insurance. Like many people, Bob and Linda assumed that Medicare or their parents' health insurance covered this care, but it doesn't. It's become a huge burden for Bob and Linda, and they now realize they need to protect their own future after experiencing this long-term care disaster with their parents. Bob and Linda want to protect their kids from the financial and emotional burden of having to care for them in their old age. They realized they need a long-term care insurance policy. Just imagine if Bob and Linda's parents had a long-term care policy. Instead of creating this emotional and financial burden for the family, the policy would have paid for the care and helped them maintain their independence. Could long-term care happen to you? We buy homeowners insurance for our homes, and the odds your house will burn down are 1 in 1,200, but you'd never go a day without it. We buy auto insurance for our cars, and the odds you'll have a major auto accident are 1 in 240, but again, you'd never go a day without it. The odds people 65 years and older will need long-term care before they die are 1 in 2, yet most people don't have long-term care insurance. It doesn't make sense. The greatest risk we'll face in retirement is needing long-term care. Without long-term care insurance, we're playing the wrong odds. What is really worrying Bob and Linda is this fast-approaching dark cloud of a $250,000 per person risk for an average 3-year stay. In 20 years, that cost will be around $750,000 per person. Where would they get that kind of money? Long-term care insurance builds a shield around your nest egg, protecting you and your family from that risk so you can enjoy your retirement. It allows you the freedom to take that dream vacation and enjoy spending quality time with each other. Your kids will be grateful. They won't have to worry about changing your diapers or giving you that uncomfortable sponge bath because you planned ahead. Bob and Linda like this idea but wonder how they can pay for long-term care insurance. What if they were to reposition a percentage of their retirement savings to make a one-time payment to fund a policy? This policy could then cover all their future long-term care expenses, protecting their whole portfolio. And since this policy has a built-in life insurance benefit, if they were to die suddenly and not need care, the policy pays a death benefit in excess of the premium paid. The best part is they're not spending this money because the policy is 100% refundable should they decide to cancel for any reason. This is a policy Bob and Linda can count on because unlike traditional long-term care insurance you might be familiar with, the premium, benefits, and refund are all fully guaranteed to never change. So getting down to business, what's the best way to buy long-term care insurance? Well, it certainly doesn't have to be the old-school way. A local agent knocks on your door, plops down at your kitchen table, and won't leave till you give them a check. He's wasting your time and often trying to steer you towards the one company that pays him the most. You simply fill out the form on our site, and we'll follow up with a quick phone call to design your plan. We then send you a side-by-side price comparison of the best products for your family. You then have the freedom to do your own research, at home and on your own time. When you have questions, you can email us or call us when you're ready. Once you've chosen the products, we'll start the application for you. Once approved in 4 to 8 weeks, we'll mail you your long-term care insurance policy to review. If you're comfortable with everything, then you send the check directly to the company to put it in force. Sound good? Want to learn more? Just take a few moments to request your quotes at www.pilotltc.com and fill in the form at the bottom of the page. It's that efficient. It's that simple.